This video is going to walk you through how to update the question labels, the points associated with the question, whether the question is a bonus question, and also removing question labels for the administered assessment. So if you've already uploaded your assessment template and you'd like to make changes, come across to the questions tab on the left-hand side. And here you can select Edit Questions. Scroll down, and if you would like to update the label, you can do so here. Maximum points again, that can be updated. You can assign a bonus question, uncheck that as well, and you can also remove a question label. Once you are finished making those changes, don't forget to click Save. Now, one thing to note is the questions cannot be removed or deleted if their grading has begun on that question.